wrong with you? Why are you touching me?
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
You are looking hot. In fact, you have everything.
Are you alright? Are you mad? Can't you see that I'm married?
Scopetenya. Where's your ring?
Look at my ring. It's not this hand. Look at my ring. I'm a married woman.
And you are dressed like this.
Can't I look good for my husband?
You can look good for your husband inside the room.
How's that your business?
This one will attract the unmarried ones like us.
How am I supposed to dress?
Cover yourself. Go to places and enjoy yourself. Please, if you are married, cover yourself and stop distracting us. This is blood we are using. And stop embarrassing yourself. You guys should dance now. You are just looking at me.
Mr. DJ, why is this party so dull?
I'm trying my best.
If you are not informed, you are deformed. Have you not heard of where they pick car by Shion Flex?
Scopetenya.
Play it, it's a tactical music.
Okay, all the way from Michigan to Chicago. Meteru chapter 2, Mr. IT. Zeee money here for me records. Shop flex on the MRC. Oh yeah, wait the picker. And let get to that dollar. Aboki dey for corner. Our boys Tigaja. Oh yeah, wait the picker. And let get to that dollar. Aboki dey for corner. Our boys Fedara. Malonongere. Chakalu Shakaraya.